cái chính em cái chồng à
Secretary ka Aicc ba Peit ka jala Meghalaya Mathew Anthony ulakam ba ki babun na ki Dkhot ki badon hapo ka Seng NPP ba yalam ka sarkar ki kwa banwan ya so no bat ka Seng Congress na marba ki tieng yo ki sha rem no haka election ka bansawan Henry Anthony kan tat pat banya thu ya ka kerteng jong kini ki batmu banwan penya so no sha ka Seng Congress Anthony ulapen pau ya ka jing sngo scam baka Seng Congress kan sawan phai biang hakabor ha Meghalaya hadien ka election sha ka ye dorbar thawan ka jilla house nem arjar apupra ula kamru balade banya phliu jingmut bha halor kumnu ban pen khlanya ka rukom trekam haman la kishnong nagabanta ka election MDC jongka Garo Hills Autonomous Council ka bansalong shen
as a party which has been in this country for long and have seen the ups and downs, we are definitely sure that we are coming back in 2028 and we are taking the steps for the victory towards that. Because we have been approached a lot by the anti-incumbents within the NPP government. We have seen the ups and downs, but we've delivered to the people at every point of time. And that is a confidence which is backing us. We have people with us, who are willing to join, including big names in the state, but we are not kind of, looking into them. We are looking into people who can stay committed to this party. We are looking into people who can build the commitment to the people of Meghalaya and not for themselves, who sell themselves.
Mentakas ki lasakhi ya ka jing pakhang shnong ka baar kanta habaro ka